In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a website from Google Chrome to the taskbar on Windows. This is a super convenient method that allows you to quickly access your favorite websites without the need to open Chrome and search through bookmarks every time. Before we start, make sure you have created a shortcut of the website on your desktop. If you're unsure how to do that, you can check out our earlier tutorials on creating website shortcuts using Google Chrome. Now, let's dive in. First, locate the newly created shortcut icon on your desktop. This icon looks just like any other file on your desktop, and it's probably sitting there amongst your other icons, waiting to be noticed. If you're having trouble finding it, try arranging your desktop icons by name or date. This can help bring the shortcut to the forefront. Once you've spotted the shortcut, you're ready for the next step. Now, with the shortcut icon in clear view, go ahead and right-click on it. Right-clicking is a standard action in Windows that opens up a menu with various options, offering you more ways to interact with the file. It's important to make sure that you don't double-click by mistake, which would open the website in your browser instead of presenting you with the menu options. In the menu that appears upon right-clicking, you'll see a variety of choices. What you're looking for here is the option that says Pin to Taskbar. This will be somewhere in the middle of the drop-down menu. By selecting this option, you instruct your computer to place a convenient icon of the website onto your taskbar, which is the horizontal bar usually located at the bottom of your Windows screen. Click on Pin to Taskbar to proceed. Lastly, after selecting Pin to Taskbar, you'll now see the website icon appear right there on your taskbar. This means you can access the website without the need to rummage around through a cluttered collection of bookmarks or desktop shortcuts. The taskbar is a fantastic way to keep what's important to you within a single click's reach. Now that the icon is on your taskbar, you might want to tidy up your desktop a bit. Feel free to delete the desktop shortcut if you find it unnecessary. The website will still be accessible from the taskbar despite removing the desktop icon. And there you have it, a streamlined way to keep your favorite website just a click away. Whether it's for productivity or just plain convenience, I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tips and tricks.